Hey Ethan, just taking a look at your PDF. Looks good. You have the crops and the bleed marks included. You have both pages. So this is looking pretty good. I did kind of go into your file. I think technically you have it set up properly. You have 2 pages. You have your bleeds set up. The size of the pages is correct. You have 2 pages. But I did change the design a little bit. I made these black. I gave this a little bit more breathing room at the bottom here. I made this black. I got rid of the yellow so that this wasn't kind of shoved down in the corner like this. I'm not totally loving it, but I do like the fact that the logo is no longer kind of off-center and maybe a little too close to the edge there. I did change this to be yellow, which is just a small change, but my computer is freaking out. And also I did experiment with this just being you know, just all the same, and I kind of like it better like this. I think having different sizes, maybe if you wanted to do that, maybe try just bolding things. Even that tends to look a little weird sometimes, unless the bold is really bold. I mean, if we could get, well, maybe the black might work better. Yeah, so that there's enough contrast there where it looks a little bit more intentional. But I kind of like this type of look better. It's all the same size throughout the whole thing. Not necessarily exactly the same alignment, but these 2 edges are lining up decently. I mean, they could be better, but if I use the alignment panel, I can align those 2 things up with each other. And I should probably make them the same width as well. But I think maybe this looks a little bit better than it did. I don't think this is centered. I don't know why this doesn't look centered to me. Because it isn't, I think. I don't know why it's not. Oh, it's because of the text wrap on this. We can change this to maybe just be right side. I don't know. Maybe this just needs to be brought down a little bit so it's not affected, which it has to be brought down a lot. I think there might be a way to like not have the text wrap affect something, but anyway, we would have to look that up because I'm not quite sure what it is off the top of my head. And I did change this to be bold up here and this to be black, just to get both of them bold. But like other than that, your bleeds look good, and your links are all looking CMYK and high resolution. But you didn't take them yourself, so that will affect your grade a little bit. But out of all the designs, I feel like yours is probably the most professional looking one. Don't tell anybody that, but in my opinion. Anyway, I'm going to be showing these to the staff at the library, and they will pick their favorite, and we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know soon. All right, great job, Ethan. Talk to you later.